Hey students, it's Elise. I just want to say that you're doing an awesome job so far in the class. Really, everybody. And if you folks have not taken some of your quizzes, I've seen that a couple of you haven't either taken one or two. Not taking one is perfectly fine and in fact could work to your advantage. I do drop the lowest quiz grade even if the quiz grade is a 0. So if you didn't catch that in the syllabus, let it be known now. Okay, another really important point that I want to make is a couple of things. Actually, I want to make a couple announcements here. There's a significant mistake in the marriage chapter that's coming up. Okay, they use the term berdache to describe two-spirit people, a third gender that was in so many different Native American societies prior to European contact, and still many are still around today despite significant efforts to say that there's something wrong with it. So berdache is not the correct term because berdache was a European term and they didn't know anything about it. They didn't want to know much about it. Nothing new with people and people being transgender or third or fourth genders. So berdache actually translates to kept boy, which has nothing to do with two-spirit people. So please disregard that error. For the same reason, I'm not having you read the chapter on sex and gender or the chapter on race and ethnicity because, well, the one on race and ethnicity, I believe that my materials are really full. I have a great PowerPoint. In my opinion, it's great. You might not feel the same way. The sex and gender one is actually offensive to me. There are incorrect things on there. It's not updated. There are so many things wrong with it, and I have a big unit that I've created myself with articles and videos that I think are quite informative, no matter how you feel about these subjects. So anyway, keep doing what you're doing, truly, and this is now we have a third of this course under our belt. Do not give up because you're doing a great job. If you are missing some of the quizzes, just make sure, this is my great piece of advice to you, you don't have to know every single term, and if I mean, nothing can stop you from looking at the book while you're taking the quiz. I mean, I'd rather not have it be that way, but I'm living in reality. I know how that is. But make sure that you watch the videos, okay? Because you're not going to get higher than a C on a quiz if you don't watch the videos, all right? So I hope everybody has an awesome day. And yeah, this is a great class. All right, bye.